heavy dinner. So this is Zainab from. Alright. So, and we're gonna go there and look and have some updates with the foods we're gonna eat. I will start working at morning for 7 a.m. Hello, for 7 a.m. until 7 p.m. and after that, so we're walking here at Corridor and going at Crumes. So here we go. Say hi. Welcome. Okay.
Dito talaga basta vlogger.
Oh, Ivy. Say hi. Hi guys, so nandito na po kami ngayon sa buffet. Hi guys, ayan. So kumakain na po kami ngayon. At the moment, say hi. Alright.
I speak English because
Okay. And this one. Ayan ang aming dinner. Oh, diet.
isama mo din.
Oh, diba? Sorry.
Sir, okay lang.
Ayan. Wow. Sayan po si Sir. Supervisor po namin si Sir Paul.
Chief roasting. Delete joke lang.